So guys, welcome back to another new episode, and in today's video what we are going to talk about is certainly about the life learnings that I had in the 6 to 7 months of time when I came to India, and right now I am going back to Ukraine, and till what time I don't know this video would come out, but certainly I would be traveling in between. I would be in between in Delhi, I think. So this video is a quick video for certainly a kind of a documenting video for me, so that I do remember this all learnings in my upcoming future. So yeah, let's just start in this just 4 minutes. I'm gonna tell you about the 4 learnings that I had in this whole last 7 months. So let's just start. So the very first thing that I've learned about is to work upon much more upon communication skills, and also work much more upon expressing your ideas and to propagating them to others also. Let me explain you what I am telling you about. Basically, in this whole 7 months, what I have tried is to increase my whole communication skills to a level, and also what I have tried is to increase my vocabulary so that I could really propagate my ideas much more easily and smoothly to others, so that they get to understand what I think about some things. So yeah, that is my very first learning, is to work more upon communication skills and soft skills, and that's why we have made one more podcast also, which would be coming in the future. This in any time in the future, so please do watch that podcast also. Moving on to the second learnings is networking is really so much important. Now I know you might have heard about this कि networking बहुत ज़्यादा important है, networking ये चीज़ important है, but we don't realize this fact, and we don't really know how to do networking, how to network with people, how to get connected with people, how to make friends online and all those things. So that's what I have learned in this whole 6 to 7 months, is to make friends online. And like gone are those days when देखो ये जो networking वाली जो skill है, ये जो networking वाली जो कीड़ा है ना, ये पहले से लोग करते आ रहे हैं. ये लोग नेटवर्किंग, ये लोग जानना पहचानना, ये पहले के ज़माने में कैसे होता था पता है? कि हम लोग ट्रेन में जा रहे हैं, साथ ही साथ आजू बाजू वाले लोग मिले, उनसे बात हुई, हम उनका विजिटिंग कार्ड ले लेते हैं. तो ये वाली चीज़ें पहले होती थी. बट नाउ एज वी आर इन 2021, कुछ नहीं चल रहा, पेंडेमिक है. Now we are like alone at our home, but still you can do networking with some other things also, and that's what I have learned through Instagram, through making podcasts, through bringing on guests on the podcast. So that's my way of networking, and I hope you find your way of also networking with people. And networking with good people is also important, because it really depends upon the people you surround yourself with. As you guys know about a popular saying about this, you are the average of the 5 person you surround yourself with. So that's why you really need to understand that networking is very much important. So now the third thing that I realized in this whole 6 to 7 months is my blunder mistake that I did in my first year. So basically I've already told you guys that in my first year I earned around some amount of a bit of a money. But what I did with that money was that mistake, because what I did with that money was to buy out silly things that really didn't matter right now. Better, what I should be doing at that point of time was to invest that money in some mutual funds or index funds also, because investing at such an early age, at that point I was around 17. So if I had invested that amount in 17, right now I am going to be 21. So in just 3 years it might have doubled up, like I don't know, it might have doubled up easily. So that was my blunder mistake that I did in my first year, because not to start investing so much early. But now the time is not late yet. Even if what I have decided is, as soon as I get some money from somewhere else, what I would do is to certainly start investing. Investing early is very much important. So I have to start my investing journey in my undergrad only. So that's what I realized. So now the fourth learning that I had in this whole 7 months is related to the content creation space, because if you are posting any content in Instagram, YouTube or Twitter also, so basically what you have to do is to keep on posting regular content, and you have to do this regularly without even taking breaks and doing all the things. But also on the other aspect, what I have realized is that you have to keep on taking breaks, so that you don't achieve any kind of burnout, so that you don't experience any burnout, which I experienced in like a month back. So for that, the only solution to keep on posting content also, and also taking breaks at the same point of time, is to produce out batch content, to produce out a ample amount of content, so that if you don't make videos for next 15 days, still you have some videos to post on the channel. So that was all about the 4 learnings that I had in this whole 6 or 7 months. There are certainly a lot of learnings that I had, but these are the most important ones. These are the most big learnings that I had. So tell me in the comment box what you like about this video, and also do follow me on Instagram, because when you are watching this video I might be traveling, so you can get updated in my Instagram stories. So yeah, do follow me on Instagram, and till then, goodbye, or see you in the next video.